You're ready to take the project management skills to the next level? Look no further. Welcome to my channel, Saud Project Manager, your go-to destination for all top-notch project management learnings. Hey there, fellow project managers. I am Mohammad Saud, your guide on this exciting journey into the world of project management. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, this channel is your one-stop shop for valuable insights, tips, and strategies to excel in this field. In this channel, we'll explore the latest project management tools, breaking down their features and showing you how to leverage them to streamline your projects and boost productivity. Watch as we dive deep into hands-on demonstration, helping you master the tools that can make a real difference in your project workflows. But it's not just about tools. I will share my decade of project management experience, giving you valuable insights that you won't find anywhere else. Project management is all about collaboration and communication, and I'm here to guide you through the challenges and triumphs of the profession. Join me as I share the tips to tackle the real-world project management challenges, from unexpected roadblocks to tight deadlines. And of course, this channel is not just about me, it's about us, building a community of like-minded project managers, support and inspire each other. So hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on this project management journey together. Because here, success is not just a destination, it's a journey we are taking together.